Unlock the secret to an unyielding spirit. It's not strength born from muscle, but from an unbreakable will forged in the crucible of daily discipline. Every choice, every habit, is a brick laid in the foundation of your legacy. Do you build a towering fortress or crumble into forgotten ruins? The path of least resistance leads only to regret. Embrace the struggle, for it is there, amidst the storm, that true self-mastery is found. Discipline isn't about restriction. It's the freedom to become who you were always meant to be. What small act of discipline will you commit to today? Like this video, share the inspiration, and tell me your thoughts in the comments.